Velvet Revolver and former Guns N' Roses guitarist Slash is playing the halftime show at the Super Bowl with Black Eyed Peas and reuniting with Fergie, whom he recorded a song with for his solo record. What's even more revealing is that he has told the NME that he's open to discussing a Guns N' Roses reunion if Axl Rose apologizes for all the digs at Slash. The guitarist said he isn't holding his breath for Axl to call, however. Slash made his NFL season debut playing the tailgate party for the New York Jets prior to the team's first game of the season. At that time, he said that he didn't even want to discuss Axl.
We don't talk about Axl over here. If you want to talk about Axl, go ask Axl.
Slash will resume his opening slot for Ozzy Tuesday, February 8th in Denver. That wraps up February 22nd. And then he's off to Soundwave in Australia, performing on tour with Iron Maiden, 30 Seconds to Mars, and others. He will then play solo dates in Asia and South America.